Hey guys, so in this tutorial I will show you how to edit the message without showing it's edited in Discord. Okay, so we're going to need to have Google Chrome installed. This probably works with other browsers, but I mean maybe the dev tools on every single browser are different. So in this case I just recommend to use Google Chrome. And actually we need to log in Discord using Google Chrome. So we just are going to type discord.com, open Discord, and basically here we can go to any server. In my case, this is the one that I'm trying. And okay, so the first step will be to press F12 in our keyboard to open our DevTools. Okay, so after that we need to go to network, and we're going to press here where it says stop recording. Basically we need to have it on red, because basically what this does is to register any changes that are made in the website, you know, from clicking one button to typing one message, all that. Okay, so after that we need to type a message or the message we want to edit. In my case could be, I don't know, hi, this message will be edited. We hit enter, and after that we go to F12, and as you can see we have the message. Okay, so we can click here on more filters, or sorry, here, and we can select XHR and fetch, and after that we can click on we can right click on messages and go to copy and copy as fetch. Okay, after that we can go to console and we hit enter, or Control V. Okay, sorry, Control V first. So after that well, we will see like a lot of details. We need to go to the bottom of the code, and you will see that we have the message right here, as you can see, and we have this like number. This is the ID of the message. In order to change this, we need to go to Discord, click on more and copy ID message, and then we can go to the console again. We need to Control V on top of this to change the ID, and then we need to change the message itself. Like we can put this message has been edited, and we hit enter, and after that you will see that on Discord the message has been edited without showing the edited tag on the right, and we hit enter, and as you can see it has been edited. And if we press F5, you will see that the message remains the same. Okay guys, so this is the tutorial, and thank you so much. Bye.